Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2009 Yamaha VStar 950. This twin-cylinder 950 just arrived with 41,800 miles on the odometer. She runs beautifully. Nice windscreen, floorboards, passenger backrest. This belt drive cruiser is priced to sell quickly for just $29.99. This bike is not going to be here long. Runs beautifully. Come on by, make your mid-size cruiser dreams come true for just $29.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.